Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Waypoints 2.0 Q&A with DJI support, part 2, coming up. Hope you've had an opportunity to catch my DJI Mavic 2 Waypoints 2.0. I've enjoyed doing these videos, and it's been a lot of fun getting to learn all about Waypoints 2.0 for the Mavic 2. I had submitted 3 other sets of questions to DJI support, and I just got responses back, and the reason it took a while was they were on their break for Chinese New Year. So without any further ado, we're going to jump into it, and I'm going to throw the first slide up on the screen here. And this part is dealing with the speed. A couple questions about Waypoints 2.0 for the Mavic 2. Why was the speed limited to a max of 17.5 miles per hour? DJI support's response. Hi Bill, sorry for the late reply due to Chinese New Year vacation and headquarter team. Thank you for your patience and report. To provide a better experience, the speed range on waypoint mode is 7.2 kilometers per hour to 28.8 kilometers per hour. So the max speed is limited to 17.5 mile per hour is normal. Okay, we're going to throw the second question up there right now. Pan tilt feature refers to on the main screen, when you press the screen and drag your finger, the camera follows that movement. It works during normal flight, but not during waypoint. Can you confirm this is an issue and check into it? Thank you. DJI support's response. For controlling the camera in waypoint mode, it doesn't support controlling by dragging the screen of the mobile device. Please control by the RC. Thank you for your support. And now the last question, this was probably the most popular question and the most asked question that I had in comments and in emails. Are there any plans to make Waypoints 2.0 available offline so we could plan our flights ahead of time? Thank you. DJI support's response. Hi Bill, due to the limited technical solutions, there is no plan to make Waypoints 2.0 available offline for now. Sorry about this. Okay, we have answers to the other set of 3 questions that I sent to DJI. Question of the day. Have you had an opportunity to use Waypoints 2.0? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.